Like a Lost Adventure blog. That's my car right there. I got down payment on it. You gotta come by and pick it up. Check it out. This is where I got it from. Freedom Car Lot, Union, South Carolina. Check it out. See what it is. I already been looking at some headlights for it. I'm gonna go with the halo around through here how it's supposed to be. I'm looking at some headlights and everything already. I'm getting you one of these here. That's pretty hard. That's it. That's what it is. Mercedes. 02. Got a new cap right here. It's in good shape. There it is right there. I'm gonna fix the head, see? I'm gonna fix the headliner. I already know how to do all this up here. I can tear a car apart inside and everything, put it back together. I know how to do that. Now I fixed the headliner with 3M glue, like it's supposed to be. That wheel shining, waiting on me to come pick it up. See? Manual, hand, see? I think it's locked. Yes, it's locked. Pretty car. That's mine. They waiting on me to come pick it up. The down payment's down on it. I was in a hurry today. That day I was giving the money. I had to go. That's a pretty car. Oh, look here. They even got a Jaguar sitting over here. Look at that. Look at that Jaguar. Anybody looking for a Jaguar? See it? Look at that Jaguar. Pretty inside. See it? Mm-hmm. See, look at mine looks good inside too. Side of the head, the back piece on it. See, look at it. And just waiting on me to see. Here's Jaguar. The Jaguar. See it? Okay. That's nice. Hey, another Mercedes sitting over there. Check it out. I looked at it too. I might get it. It is considered more of a sports car. Yeah. Need paint job. Still looks good. See it, look at it. Look at that. Convertible. Interior looks good. That's the price. Nice. That's where I'm at. Where I got my car from. They got much more cars out here. See them? That's mine. You gotta come by and pick it up. See ya. That older one down there. That's an older one. Got windshield wipers on the headlights. That's an older Mercedes. Or a classic right there. That's more of a classic. See? Classic. Windshield wipers. Got a busted windshield. That's nice. They said somebody came in here and busted the windshield on it. Now waiting on the windshield put in it where they can get it fixed back up, get rid of it. It's all the cars. Lawson Adventure Blog, Shane Lawson. Still the same day, September 18th. I want to show you my car. There it is. There's the rear. Beautiful. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Lawson Adventure Blog. There he is. Sit. Sit.